are you, pretty girl? Look how gorgeous you are. You're very pretty, Moon. Yes, you are. You're very pretty, honey. Snort.
Ew. Did you get a nice close-up of that snot?
I'm sure I did.
Moon blowing snot rockets.
Yahoo.
Dripping snot. Lovely. There you go, Kim.
Just for Kim.
Yeah.
Yes, your mare blowing snot.
Yeah, snot rockets and drips. Love those wrinkles on her eyelids.
You're such a pretty girl.
She's such an old girl.
Okay, Moon.
She's going back to sleep.